Welcome back. We're building a device that allows us to change the clip color and name with things like BPM, genre, etc. Spend a lot of time getting the colors of the clips organized into these categories. I kind of like, again, the idea of these 5 main categories and they're having 5 colors for each subcategory. I suggest watching the previous videos to catch up, because I'm going to jump right into it. I don't want to focus on the colors today. I want to focus on actually getting the clip slot information. So whatever clip we currently have selected in Ableton Live, grabbing that, getting the data from it, such as the name and the existing color, and then allowing us to change it. So let's go ahead and do that. I need, let's just do live path, and I might as well just hardwire this in here. Live set view, what is it? Highlighted clip slot, is that it? I'm not sure if that is the right path, but we will figure out. Let's bang the ID out here and let's send this a message. Okay, we've got an ID, so I must have done it right. Let me choose this clip slot, go back here and bang. Okay, so that's working. I'm not sure if we can observe this. I'm not sure if we can auto update this, so I might actually have to have like a timer. We'll do like 500 milliseconds that just continuously bangs this. It's not ideal, but that means we can have a button that just allows us to disabled, enabled, just so we can turn this on and off. So when we turn this on, this is just going to, every 500 milliseconds, it's going to get this value. So if we were to change it, this would update for us. This isn't so ideal. If you know Max for Live, can I use the live observer to get this value? I'm not sure if I can, considering this. Maybe I could get it from the tracks and scenes. I'm not sure. Anyway, this is good. This is good. So that's sending us the clip slot. And then from here, I'm going to have to look at the Max API stuff here. I'm just going to have a look at, here we go, clip slot. Let's drag this in. Let's just open this up so we can have a good look at it. Okay. So this track, I should get a clip in as well. Just put this in here. Okay, so this track, clip slot, what are we on, number 1? And what are our options here? Yeah, okay, I really want to get the name functions. Looks like we're going to have to use clip slot audio, I think. So let's just test this track, that one, properties. This audio clip is playing as recording as triggered length. So there's the color. And there's the name. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. Live property name observe one. Let's try that anyway. Okay. So live property name observe 1. I don't think this is going to work, to be honest. If I bang this, is this going to work? No. So we don't need 10. We need to, how do I find, I need to find the ID of the clip that's currently inside this clip slot. How do I do that? I don't do this stuff often enough to know this shit off by heart. So here's the clip slot stuff. So this is the stuff I can control. Is playing, is recording, is triggered, playing status. I might have to look this one up. Okay, I'll just do a quick Google. Max for live, get audio clip ID from clip slot number. Is that going to work? How to get clip slot ID number? How to get track ID if I know the clip ID? I've done this so many times before, I've just forgotten it. What if we do this? It's going to be a bit of a trial and error video. So that's ID 10. So if I send that into a live object, ID 10, boom. Can I get path? Will this work? Please work. Or is get path one word? There we go. So this is good, this is good, this is good. We can work with this. Okay, so let's bring that down. So this is going to continuously bang into the live object, and I'm going to have to put a trigger bang list. So this will go in here. Why can I not get that involved? Okay, fuck you. Put that in there. That's going to go in there. Going to have to keep banging the get path. Not ideal shit here. Might have to use a defer maybe. Anyway, so that's going to keep sending us our path, but we want to append this with clip. Okay, so let's try this. Tracks 3, clip slot 0, clip. Feed that into another live path. Feed that into there. Will this give me an ID? Come on, you know you want to. Yes, it will. Feed that into here. Sweet. Sweet, 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 sweet. Okay, so we need to append clip onto this. Feed that into here. And this live observe should just keep working. So if I was to go ahead and put another WAV file in here, choose this one. Has it updated for me? I think it did. Yes, it did. Okay, fantastic. That's awesome. So there's our value there. And we need to take this from symbol. At some stage we'll need to anyway. We might need to do a double from symbol. So there's our track name. Fantastic. We also need another one of these, which is, I don't know if it's clip color or what it is, but we should do this correctly here. TLL. It goes in here. Split two ways. 1 and 2. I mean, is color going to work? Ooh, that looks like a color. That looks like a color. Oh, but this is in this weird format. I don't really understand how this format works. Although we did have a view in one of these. Here we go. The RGB value of the clip's color is in the form 0x00 RRGGBB, or 2 to the power of 16 red, 2 to the power of 8 green and blue. Fucking hell. We're from 0 to 255. When setting the RGB value, the nearest color from the clip color chooser is taken. Okay, I don't really understand how this works, but we will have a look. Kind of crossing over into different ways of notating color. This one here, that's what I'm after. I'm just going to steal that color wheel. There's a convert subpatcher here, so let's just yoink that and close this, go back to our patch. Okay, so here's our color wheel. Let's drag this out. So there's 0, black is 0, white is 1. Okay, let's look and see what's going on in here. Oh, this is good, this is good, this is good. So this is the formula that we need. Okay. Expression power. So that's good. That means we should be able to directly take one of these colors, which are in these ones are in floating points rather than RGB, but that's okay. We can change that as well. So let's copy this. So now we're dealing with 3 different formats for converting colors. Super handy. So here's our RGB values. So what we're going to need is a scale of 0 to 1 to 0 to 255, because our values are in fuck, what are our values in? Where's our coal? Let's have a look. Man. Yeah, these never go beyond 1. Okay, so that's good. So let me just take, for an example, that first color here. Okay, let's paste that here. Get rid of the trailing coal index and the semicolon. So we're going to have to unpack this float to 0, 0, 0. That's going to come in here. That's going to unpack. That's going to go into a scale. I'm going to need 3 of these. There must be an easier way to do this. Anyway, so, and then that's going to scale that to the right value, I think. You know? Can we take this and does this have an input? This should work, right? I feel like this should work. I feel like this is so unnecessarily complicated, but anyway, let's have a look. So let's get this color wheel in here, let's drag it around. So we should be able to have RGB, red, green, blue. So this should go in here. Let's have a look. Let's see if this duplicates what this does. It does. If I click on this, what color do we have here? I want you bigger. Anyway, let's try and send a color to a clip. Anyway, let's do that. So we also will need a live object. We're going to need another list here. Send that to here. Inlet wrong message type. Oh, we need a path. Do we need a path? Yeah. So we need a live path. Fuck, this is a real scramble of a session, I tell you that. So that live path should go in here. Can I just go set color? Does it understand set color? Maybe. So let's copy this color. Let's see if this works for a start. Let's make this smaller so we can look up here. So let's change the color to this one. Go back here. Let's click on this. Okay, so let's change the color to that. What happens if I do this? Move this around. Why is that going through an outlet? This needs to go directly into here. Okay, so we can move the color around. So I feel like it's really unnecessary what's happening here. So what happens if I do this? Oh, we got it. We got the first color in the series. Amazing. Okay, I'm going to leave this video here and then just pick up where we left off tomorrow.